Hello marketers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reviewing ScriptReel. I'm actually quite excited about this one since I do a lot of video creations now and we all know that videos are ranking pretty well with the search engines. And what ScriptReel does is that it'll create automatically the subtitles and the captions of the videos for you automatically, and it also translate it to other languages if you want to. And it takes a lot of time if you do this manually to add subtitles and captions to your videos. I'm very excited about this ScriptReel and I haven't tried it yet. This will be the first time I'm going to be opening the dashboard. Here I have it ready and use this software. It is cloud-based and there's nothing to download or install on your computer. Everything is online. So first of all, I'd like to say that the dashboard is very nicely laid out. Let's click on get started. Again, this is very easy. So to transcribe a video, so this automatically convert your videos, any of your voiceovers into text content. So let's do one of my YouTube videos, or you can do a custom video if you want. So let me select YouTube video and enter in my URL. Okay, so here I have my video. It's about 12 minutes long. Let's click on submit and let's see what happens. Okay, so it appears I have to connect my Amazon and Google account first. So let me click this box and see. Okay, that disappeared. So I think the settings are here, and yep, there it is. Connect Amazon and connect Google. I'm not sure why I need to do that, but let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I just realized that ScriptReel uses the Amazon text to speech transcription service. So here's my access key, secret key that I've made. Let's click on update, and as you can see here, the AWS access key needs a subscription for the service. So you actually have to pay extra, which is something that ScriptReel wasn't upfront about. I'm very disappointed that they did not disclose this extra hidden fee. So ScriptReel doesn't actually do any transcription or text to speech. They use Google and Amazon for the services, which isn't free. I'm not 100% sure if this is actually the same thing they're using or not, but here's some example of the prices. So you do 1,000 text requests, it costs this much per the text. So here's 500 text requests, so you're looking to pay 38 cents for 500 text requests. And then you gotta do a speech request as well. So these are just some of the price examples. So it could be, well, it's still not too expensive, but it's extra cost if you have a lot of videos, a lot of text. So this is something that they did not disclose. So here I am at ScriptReel, the sales page. How does it work? I don't think they've mentioned anything about Amazon or Google subscriptions anywhere on their sales page. All they mention is upload a video, and then ScriptReel will do the rest. So at the moment I don't have a subscription to the Amazon text to speech or whatever they're using, so I can't even use ScriptReel. And if you want to go through the trouble of creating it, that's up to you. And then, but the good thing that came out of this, I just realized, is that all of my videos are automatically transcribed already anyways, which I didn't realize until now. So here's one of my videos that I've created, and it actually already have the captions. If I enable it right here, as you can see, it's already automatically captioned. And on top of that, so I found this little blog article about how to transcribe YouTube videos automatically, and another one where I can transcribe the video and download the subtitles for free. And actually, I just realized right here, since 2014, all the videos are automatically have a subtitle captioned by YouTube automatically, for at least English anyways, and then you can download the subtitles with these tools here, and then you can translate them with Google Translate or whatever they're using. I think they're new, so I think ScriptReel is actually using Google Translate. So connecting Google, I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think they may be using Google Translate to do all their translations. And we all know that the Google translation is not going to be perfect, but anyways, ScriptReel, I mean, it's a great idea to do everything automatically, upload a video and have it automatically sent transcribed and stuff. But YouTube already did that, so I'm not sure at this point the actual benefit anymore. But definitely the translations of the videos automatically is a great idea. But I am not happy about the fact that ScriptReel did not disclose the fact that you need a subscription to Amazon. So this product is a bust for me. I'm not gonna recommend it. But then I just realized I could do it for free thanks to ScriptReel. It gave me the opportunity to do some extra research, and I stumbled upon these alternative ways to get my videos text content out of them. So thanks ScriptReel for that. So I don't need ScriptReel, and I don't think you need it either. So it's a bust. I am not gonna say these guys, this creator, he's actually has a lot of great ideas, a lot of tools and softwares, and he has a lot of other great softwares for sure. I've used them and I think they're pretty good. Great programmer, so I'm not gonna talk a lot of bad things. He's still a great creator, except this product is a bust for me. So that's it for this video. Sorry I can't really test it, since I'm not gonna pay extra for something that I did not expect to subscribe. I don't know if it's free or not, but I'm just kind of upset that I have to subscribe to something that I was not upfront about. So sorry about that. And actually, I'm gonna post the articles to these alternative free ways to get your videos transcribed for free. So at least hope you guys benefit from that. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my How to Webmaster channels for more internet marketing tips and tricks.